Oh, the wheels don't go.
Can I have all the wolves come over by me, please? Wolves. Come back. Wolves only. Stand up. Come on. All right. Are you four? You're in the line right there.
Oh, never mind. It's not. Oh, dang it. Not us yet? Okay, guys, so it's not us yet. But I'm just going to video anyway.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Teddy, I got your goggles here.
Okay.
Mom, do I have to put my shoes back on?
Yes, you need to put your shoes back on. That's good. I need. How many bears are you guys?
Oh, wow, it honks when I jump. See, Tony? Hands out. Like, see, Tommy, let me show you. Let me show you, Tommy. Tommy, let me show you. Let me show you.
How does it work? You know how I hear. Move aside. Over here. Oh, I didn't see that.
And why would oh, no. My wheel's falling down. Hi. What?
You got a camera to film everything you do.
Yeah, I'm filming right now.
Look at Thomas.
Alright, where are my other two?
I'm gonna run you over.
That I told them to wait for a second. You guys, come on up here. We're gonna all go together. All of you, we're all just gonna go together.
JK, I would never run over you. Hey, dude. Hey, dude. I have a siren bar.
Hold on.
1 second, let me run it up.
Next to me.
Okay, turn sideways a little bit. Smile.
Let me see. You have a siren bar?
Okay, look at me.
Yeah, I have a siren. 1 second, let me load them up.
Okay.
It works? Let me see. What are you doing? What are you guys doing?
Just a reminder, when you guys go over to
I have a
take
siren.
your shoes off and put your socks on, you are not allowed to sit down. You
I
must
also have
stand
sound
up while
effects.
this is happening, okay? Alright, does everybody understand that rule? Can everybody look at me and say that they understand? Understand? Do you understand that? Alright, anybody who is not racing, I need you off the track. This is going to be a fight race.
Police is here.
Oh, snap! Alright, off the track if you're not racing. Gentlemen, are you ready?
Yes.
No.
and went into the track and got the wheel off of it.
Are you on your last lap?
Grave digger! Grave digger! Grave digger! Grave digger! Grave digger!
Your favorite car?
Watch out.
With my favorite car?
Yeah, which one do you like the best? Tell me. What car you like the best? Or tell me.
Alright, can I have all the boys that just raced in front of the flag?
Sock on, shoe on, then the other side, okay?
Come on over with your cars if you just raced. Come on over.
You need help?
Yeah. Hyundai.
All right. Awesome.
1 second, let me get my phone ready. That's yours? Yes.
Gentlemen, there are little pieces of paper. I need you to vote for your favorite car as you're watching the races, please. Favorite car also receives a prize.
Okay, guys, this is the moment.
You're gonna sit out. Tommy, you're gonna sit out. Owen, you're gonna sit out. Or wait, better yet, you're coming in here. And you're gonna sit out.
I popped my bubble wrap.
Nope, you're going with them. Are our next racers ready? We're gonna do 2 sets for 7.
Benji has a siren mom. Yes, a little bit. He's pulling off the wheel.
I'm recording right now, so.
Alright guys, ready?
Very careful.
Alright, if you are not racing, I need you off the track.
Bad. Tape in the front of the back is bad. Very bad. One of us wins.
Alright, listen. I need you.
And there's another one on this side.
Because this
Put your sign on.
Come on. Racers, we're going to do 4 on 4. Well, 4 on 3. Wait, 4 on 3. The winners of these 2 will then race each other to determine their den winner. Okay? Make sure, boys that are not racing, please vote on your favorite car. If you know who made it, write their name down. If you know the color of it, write the color down.
That's an actual sprinkler.
All right, racers, are we ready?
Yeah.
Am I ready?
Yeah.
We don't know.
Okay.
You got it.
On your mark.
Owen's not racing yet.
I know.
Get
Well,
set.
the next one I got this. Yeah. Look at my car.
Go.
I had to pull off the wheel.
Go.
Go ahead.
It's like we were kids again. Get the shoe on.
It doesn't matter, Mommy. Just put it on.
It doesn't matter. Shoot.
It's okay. It's okay. Mama, did you put it? Go. Shoo, come on. Go. My steering wheel broke off. My car is soaked. Hopefully that didn't get on my phone.
Okay. Alex did.
I did do another one.
You did one after
I didn't drink the whole thing.
Okay.
need to do that. Like, I drank it, but it spilled all over the
Gentlemen,
place.
that just raced. Please go have a seat in front of the flag.
Ugh. I bet that got all over my GoPro.
Bet she didn't do the other one.
My